Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my full shower routine. I'll be sharing lots of tips along the way, and every product you'll see today was purchased with my own money. No sponsorships, no ads. If that sounds interesting, make sure to stick around until the end. Let's get started with my complete shower routine, including hair care, body care, and skin care. The first thing I always do is brush my hair. This helps smooth out my hair and allows hair treatments to absorb better, leaving my hair feeling softer and healthier. I always start brushing from the middle of my hair and work my way down to the ends. Once the tangles are gone, I gently brush from the scalp all the way down. Next, it's time for scalp oiling. I've shared this in my shorts before, but for anyone who hasn't seen it, I'll explain everything in more detail here. I mix jojoba oil and rosemary oil together in an applicator bottle. I also add some water because it helps distribute the oils more evenly and makes them much easier to wash out later. A lot of people think that the more oil you use, the better the results will be, but that's actually not true. Using too much oil can clog your scalp and make it harder to properly cleanse. I use a 1:2 ratio of jojoba oil and rosemary oil, then fill about half of the applicator bottle with water. After that, I apply the mixture evenly across my scalp and gently massage it in. Then I work the remaining product through my hair from top to bottom and gently press it into the strands with my hands. For step 3, I'm applying a hair mask. I prefer hair masks with a creamy texture that aren't too thick because they leave my hair feeling soft without weighing it down. I apply it from the mid-length to the ends of my hair, avoiding the scalp completely. Once I'm done with the oil treatment and hair mask, I clip my hair up and let everything sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. While I wait, I like to do my facial cleansing routine. Since I'm not wearing makeup today, I'm keeping it simple with a cleansing milk and a wash-off mask cleanser. First, I generously apply the cleansing milk and massage it into my skin for about 2 minutes. Then I gently pat away any excess moisture with a towel. Next, I'm using this fig-scented cleansing mask. I rub it between my hands first and then apply it all over my face. After that, I let it sit for about 1 minute. Now it's finally time for the shower. First, I lightly rinse out the oil treatment and hair mask with water. Then I move on to shampoo. I pump the shampoo into a foaming container and add a small amount of water to create a rich foam before applying it to my scalp. I also use a scalp brush while shampooing. It helps massage the scalp and keeps my hair tangle-free. I gently brush through my scalp and focus on thoroughly cleansing the areas where I applied the oil treatment. After rinsing everything out, it's time for conditioner. Don't be afraid to use a generous amount. I personally use quite a lot because I have long hair, and I find that it helps keep my hair soft and manageable. Now let's move on to body care. This is my favorite Dove body scrub, and it's the creamiest scrub I've ever found for everyday use. Today I'm using the macadamia and rice scrub. I apply it all over my body and gently massage it into my skin. I like to spend a little extra time on my arms and legs. The scent is absolutely amazing. Warm, cozy, and slightly nutty. It's perfect for daily use. Next is body wash. I apply a small amount onto a wet shower puff and work it into a rich lather. This body wash leaves the most beautiful scent on my skin, and the texture feels incredibly soft and luxurious. It's one of my favorite products, and I use it every single day. Now I'm rinsing out the conditioner thoroughly. After showering, I gently squeeze out excess water and wrap my hair in a towel. Next comes skincare. The first product I'm using is a Cica ampoule. I've been purchasing this product myself and using it consistently for over 2 years. Whenever my skin feels irritated or congested, it helps calm everything down almost instantly. Next is my PDRN ampoule. I've been using this one for about 2 months, and it's made a huge difference for my very dry skin. Whenever I use it before bed, I wake up with hydrated, glowing skin the next morning. After that, I apply hydrating toner pads while I get ready to dry my hair. For body care, I apply body lotion first and then body oil. I personally only use body oil on my arms and legs because applying it all over my body sometimes causes breakouts. I'll take off the towel now. Brush your hair with a hairbrush. Before blow drying my hair, I spray on a cooling scalp ampoule. This instantly cools and refreshes my scalp, and I highly recommend it. Then I apply a small amount of hair essence to help protect my hair from heat damage. Brush it with your hands and apply it. I'm going to plug it into the outlet to dry it. I always dry my scalp first. Once the roots are dry, the rest of my hair dries much faster naturally. Look at my hair. It's really shiny. And that's it for today's shower routine. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. My entire shower routine, skincare routine, and hair care routine are finally complete. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll continue sharing more beauty tips, self-care routines, and products that I genuinely love. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.